Are you ready to discover the latest life-saving devices on the market? Well, you are in the right place. Here we present the latest and the best life-saving devices of this year. If you want to buy these amazing products, then go through the links which are given in the description box. Product 1. Product name: Titty AquaGuard Sheet. The Titty AquaGuard Sheet is a versatile medical product designed to provide reliable moisture protection during showering, particularly for individuals with wounds that need to stay dry. Measuring 10 inches by 12 inches, this self-adhesive moisture barrier sheet is specifically crafted to cover and shield wounds from water exposure, ensuring that the healing process is not compromised by moisture ingress. Applications: post-surgical wounds, ideal for protecting surgical sites from moisture during the critical post-operative healing period. Chronic wounds, useful for individuals with chronic wounds that require long-term care and protection from water exposure. Skin conditions, beneficial for protecting sensitive skin areas that should not get wet. The Titty AquaGuard Sheet stands out as a practical, user-friendly solution for maintaining wound dryness during showering, contributing significantly to effective wound care management at home. Product 2. Product name: Water Flood Dam Bags. Water flood dam bags, such as the Quick Dam QD 65-25 foot barrier, are innovative and essential tools designed to combat flooding and water damage. These bags serve as a barrier to prevent water from encroaching into unwanted areas, providing an effective and easy-to-deploy solution for both residential and commercial properties. Quick Dam QD 65-25 foot barrier water flood dam bags. The Quick Dam QD 65-25 foot barrier water flood dam bags are a specific type of flood control product. These barriers are 5 feet in length and designed to expand when in contact with water, forming an effective blockade against water intrusion. Key features include: ease of use. These flood barriers are user-friendly and can be quickly deployed. Simply place them in the desired location and let them absorb the water. As they absorb water, they expand and create a solid barrier. Effectiveness: once fully activated by water, the Quick Dam barriers can block and divert water, preventing it from entering homes, basements, garages, and other vulnerable areas. Reusable: depending on the extent of exposure and contamination, these dam bags can often be reused, making them a cost-effective solution for repeated flood events. Product 3. Product name: Amigabelli Garden and Home Weed Barrier. The Amigabelli Garden and Home Weed Barrier is a heavy-duty landscape fabric designed to provide effective weed control in various gardening and outdoor settings. Measuring 3 feet by 50 feet and weighing 5.8 ounces, this weed barrier is constructed from woven geotextile material, ensuring durability and robustness for long-term use. The fabric is designed to block weeds while allowing air and water to permeate the soil, promoting healthy plant growth. Key features of the Amigabelli Garden and Home Weed Barrier include: size and coverage. The product covers a substantial area, making it suitable for large gardening projects, lawn care, and landscaping. Material and durability. Made from high-quality woven geotextile fabric, this barrier is resistant to tearing and UV degradation, ensuring it withstands various weather conditions and provides long-lasting weed control. Permeability. The fabric's design allows for the passage of water and nutrients while preventing weeds from penetrating, thus maintaining soil health and promoting plant growth. Product 4. Product name: Stay Safe All-in-One Portable Fire Extinguisher. The Stay Safe All-in-One Portable Fire Extinguisher by LifeSafe Technologies is designed as a versatile and user-friendly solution for various fire safety needs. Its compact design ensures it can be easily stored and accessed in critical areas such as the home, kitchen, car, garage, or boat. This extinguisher stands out for its non-toxic and eco-friendly composition, making it a safer option for both users and the environment. One of the most significant features of the Stay Safe extinguisher is its ability to tackle 10 different types of fires, offering comprehensive protection against a wide range of fire hazards. This all-in-one functionality reduces the need for multiple types of extinguishers, simplifying fire safety management. The device is straightforward to operate, which is crucial during emergencies when time and clarity are of the essence. Its user-friendly design ensures that even those with little to no experience in handling fire extinguishers can use it effectively. Product 5. Product name LifeVac Yellow Travel Kit. The LifeVac Yellow Travel Kit is a portable suction rescue device designed to provide emergency first aid in cases of airway obstruction for both children and adults. This kit includes a lightweight and compact suction device that can be easily transported, making it ideal for travel. The device operates by creating a powerful suction that can quickly and effectively clear an obstructed airway, potentially saving lives in critical situations where traditional first aid methods, such as the Heimlich maneuver, may not be effective or feasible. The portability and ease of use of the LifeVac Yellow Travel Kit make it a valuable addition to any first aid kit, particularly for families on the go or for use in environments where quick access to medical assistance may not be available. Its design ensures that even individuals without medical training can deploy it successfully in an emergency. The kit's versatility in accommodating both children and adults further enhances its utility, ensuring that it can be used across a wide range of scenarios. Product 6. Product name Automatic Choking Rescue Device. The Automatic Choking Rescue Device is an innovative tool designed to provide immediate assistance in choking emergencies for both kids and adults. This portable anti-choking device features strong suction capabilities to help clear blocked airways quickly and effectively. The kit includes 3 different mask sizes to ensure a proper fit for individuals of various ages and sizes, making it versatile for use in diverse situations. In emergencies where the Heimlich maneuver might not be sufficient or feasible, this first aid airway assist device can be a critical addition to home emergency kits. It is engineered to deliver powerful suction to dislodge obstructions from the airway, providing a potentially life-saving solution during choking incidents. The design prioritizes ease of use, allowing individuals without medical training to operate the device confidently. The automatic choking rescue device is particularly valuable in households, schools, and public places where immediate response to choking can be the difference between life and death. Its portability ensures it can be readily available in various environments, providing peace of mind to caregivers and parents. Product 7. Product name Airhead Adult Type 2 Life Jacket. The Airhead Adult Type 2 Life Jacket is a reliable and essential piece of safety equipment for boating and other water activities. It is approved by the U.S. Coast Guard, ensuring that it meets rigorous safety standards and regulations. Designed to provide a comfortable universal fit, this life jacket is suitable for a wide range of adult body types. The Type 2 designation indicates that it is designed for calm, inland waters where there is a good chance of quick rescue. It provides basic flotation support to keep the wearer's head above water in an emergency situation. This life jacket is both practical and compliant with boating safety requirements, making it a trusted choice for ensuring safety on the water.